What's the meaning of accustomed? Accustomed. 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 The word accustomed means used to something, or familiar with something. It can be used to describe a person's state of mind or their behavior. For example, you might say that someone is accustomed to getting up early, or that they are accustomed to the noise of the city. The word can also be used to describe a situation or an environment. For example, you might say that a room is accustomed to the smell of coffee, or that a city is accustomed to the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Here are some examples of how the word accustomed can be used in a sentence. I'm not accustomed to getting up so early. She quickly became accustomed to her new surroundings. The dog is accustomed to being left alone for long periods of time. The city is accustomed to the noise of traffic. I'm not accustomed to being treated like this.